Hey there, cleaning warriors. Ever wonder how often you should clean your house? Well, let's break it down in 60 seconds. Daily tidying, totally essential. Think about making your bed, wiping down countertops, and doing the dishes. Keeps your place looking fresh without breaking a sweat. Now, for those weekly chores, vacuuming, mopping, and scrubbing the bathroom. It's like giving your home a spa day. Pros: a healthier living environment and fewer allergens. Cons? Well, it takes a bit more time and elbow grease. Don't forget those monthly tasks: dusting high places, cleaning windows, and tackling the oven. Pros: your home stays in tip-top shape. Cons: it's easy to procrastinate. But remember, cleaning isn't one size fits all. Have pets or kids? You might need to clean more often. Living solo? You might get away with a bit less. So, find your rhythm and make cleaning work for you. Your home will thank you. Happy cleaning wishes AOA Cleaning Services Melbourne.